ready to unlock a goldmine of real estate leads and supercharge your marketing efforts. First, log into your Propstream account, and you'll land on the map view. Use the search bar to pinpoint your target market. You can search by city, county, zip code, or even specific addresses. Now for the magic. Click the Filter button on the left. This is where you'll define your ideal property criteria. Explore the various filter categories. Property characteristics lets you specify property type, size, and year built. Ownership info is useful for targeting absentee owners or individuals. MLS status filters properties listed or not listed on the MLS, and pre-foreclosure, liens, and bankruptcy filters can identify distressed properties. Click each section to reveal more settings. For example, let's say you want single-family homes owned for at least 5 years currently in pre-foreclosure. Select those options from the drop-downs. Once you set your filters, Propstream will instantly update the map with matching properties. See all those pins? Those are your potential leads. Now, you can zoom in and out on the map to fine-tune your search radius or even click on each pin and see details. Next, we select the properties you want to export. You can either click on each property individually or use the polygon tool to draw a custom area and select all properties within that area. Once you have your selection made, click on Add to List and either add to an existing list or create a new list. This organizes your leads for export. Navigate to My Properties. To access your saved list, select your list and click the Export button. Choose your preferred format, either CSV or Excel, and hit Export. That's it. Your list of properties is now ready for your marketing campaigns. You can import this list into a CRM, use it for direct mail, or any other marketing strategy.